Hi Taurus, welcome to my channel. So today we are going to do your general reading from 14th till 20th of September. Okay, and we'll see what are the tarot messages for you in the coming week. So what is there for my Taurus for the coming week from 14th till 20th of September, please? So for those who are new to my channel, a warm welcome to you all, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please consider subscribing and hit the bell notification icon as well, so that you will be able to get updated about my latest videos. Okay, and as you all know, this is a general reading. It might or might not resonate with all of you. All right, now let's see what is there for my Taurus. Last shuffle. One more. Okay. So what's there in the current situation? 10 of Wands. What's happening, Taurus? So much of responsibility, so much of carrying a lot of debts. What are you carrying? I really want to know. What are you carrying? Is it the responsibility or a lot of pressure, being tortured by someone? Yeah, this is because this is the general atmosphere around you. This is like your shoulders are heavy, you are heavy, and you just want to offload all this bundle of wands, the bundle of responsibilities, the bundle of tensions. So what is the obstacle? Knight of Pentacles. So it might be someone around you, or this might be you as well. So this is like when somebody just do not, it's like you are actually preventing your self development over here. It's you who is actually doing this. It's you. It's the 10 of Wands. It's you, Taurus, who is resisting any kind of change right now. You are resistant to this change. You do not want to change yourself. You are see how slow you are. You are not even walking. You're not, see the horse, the knight over here, the horse over here is standing still. He's not walking, he's not moving. So it's more about that resistance towards something, resistance to a change. You don't want this thing, you just want to be in your comfort zone. That is the kind of security Knight of Pentacles tell us. You just want to be secure, you just want to be at a particular place. They don't move, and they don't like to go because they love their comfort zone a lot. This is you right now. Let's see the foundation of your situation in which you don't want to look at is 3 of Swords. So 3 of Swords, this might be a heartbreak from your past situation, or might be somebody, it just not has to be someone who has dumped you in a love relationship. It can be, obviously, but it's more about that heartache when you trust someone and your trust is lost. This is because of that thing. Because this is the 10 of Wands, the first card, and it is the strongest as per me. So it's like you gave your 100% in the situation. You put all your energy. See, you're not even looking upwards, sorry. You are looking downwards. You don't even know where you are going, but still you were going. You were moving, yes, but you were moving nowhere. This is more that situation. Because of this thing. Let's see. The past with the Tower. Yes, this might be a heartbreak, or this might be a sudden change, sudden uplift in your life, when your life has come to an end as per you. It's like your life is ended. You are, see how these people are falling from the tower over here. So this is a sudden change in life, when this might be a heartbreak, because the foundation is this might be someone who you know, this might be a sudden break up, or sudden um a bad marriage as well, a broken marriage over here for some of you. Might be a third party situation is also involved, a third person because of whom the other person left you or you left them. So this can be either ways, okay? But your situation is stagnant, you are not moving anywhere. What's in your mind? Page of Swords. So this is your goal, your purpose, your aim, and you're aware of this thing. So your purpose is to, what are you doing, Taurus? Are you stalking this person again? Because this is a very immature energy in which you are in. Page of Swords, this is that child energy, childlike energy, where this person just wants to, this is actually telling me more about stalking and more about, you know, you want to communicate, you want to communicate over here. It's like not exactly verbal communication, but yes, even stalking is, it's kind of a communication, one-sided communication. So this is something which you are doing, this is your, this is your aim. I don't see that, but this is a very immature energy over here, and you know that you are doing this, you know that, at least. The future energies, 10 of Swords. Okay, a lot of heaviness. It's already been half of your reading, and a lot of 10 of Wands, 10 of Swords, the Tower, 3 of Swords. What is happening? It's like, oh my god, Taurus, I'm sorry. So your future energies are telling me with the 10 of Swords, it's a heavy energy again. It's a kind of a betrayal, kind of an energy. But over here, you know, when all you are dumping in, you are in that heaviness, you want to dump that heaviness, and you're actually doing that, you know. With the 10 is the completion. 10 of Wands with the 10 of Swords, it's like the completion of all the bad energies now. After 10 of Swords, there's a new life, okay? After getting betrayals, after getting, you know, trust, breaking of trust, again there's a new life. You have to move on, at least. You cannot just stay over there and think about that past person or past situation. No, things, they do end. This is a situation, you know, this is, life is just like a wind, it flows and it will just touch you and it will leave. That moment will never come back again in your life. So this thing, if you really want to end this particular thing, just go on then, okay, and live a life the way you want, how you see yourself. 9 of Wands. So it's like you are resisting. See how you are, how you see yourself, as you are resisting this change. You are in that secure zone. See, all your guards are up and it's like no one can enter my territory. No. So this is that thing. See, you are not allowing anyone because of the trust issues you had, because a lot of things has happened in your past. So you are not going to let anyone to enter your territory right now. No, please, no, get out. This is what you are saying, not me. How people see you as the Queen of Swords. Obviously, if you are behaving like the 9 of Wands, people will see you as the Queen of Swords only. So anyone who will come towards you, who would want to talk to you, you will say, just get out. So this is how people see you as a Queen of Swords, who is like, I have seen everything, okay, so you don't tell me like I have trust issues. It's because of my past. It's because whomsoever I trust in, you know, I trust people a lot and they all dump me. So you don't tell me. So this is how people see you. They see you as the cutting queen, a person who just cuts people off. You know, it's more about the truth. You are a person who loves to be truthful, and that is what you would want from someone else as well. So this is what you want, and this is how people see you as. Yes. Fear, judgment. So this is some kind of a lesson which you really need to learn right now. So this with the judgment card, it's more about, uh, when the things have been done, when you are ready to take a decision in your life, if you're not able to do, when you are not able to do anything, you are just thinking. Because see, with a judgment card, it's like you really have to decide right now. Okay, and that is the fear, that is the anxiety which you are feeling right now, because the resistance card is already telling us Knight of Wands, Knight of Pentacles. It's like you are already resisting the changes which are coming in your life. You are resisting those changes. This is the judgment, and this is the lesson which you really need to learn, that you cannot resist the change, you have to deal with it. Judgment says that take a decision right now, you have to take a decision. See, okay, outcome of the situation, Knight of Cups. Okay, so finally you thought a little about it. So finally you are actually, this is what you are going to gain from all this experience, from your past experience. You're ready. At some point you will be ready to offer this cup of love, or to accept the cup of love which will come from someone else in your life. Because you are going to end, because in the future energy you are going to end the past baggages, whichever, those past things in your life. It's in here. If you are ready to just remove this thing from here, remember in Harry Potter how that they used to, Dumbledore, yes, he used to remove his memories, and he put it on somewhere, I don't remember where. So it's like that, you really need to dump some bad memories in your life to begin a new life. All right, so that's really good. I really want to see why the Page of Swords is here. What is this Page of Swords? What's the aim of Taurus? What's the goal of Taurus? Why is he behaving like a Page of Swords? Ten of Pentacles. Because you want a happy family. This is, you really love stable things. You really want, you don't want drama in your life. And what happens in your life? Drama only. So, and you don't want that. So this is something which you are experiencing. You want a stable life. This is in your mind. All you want is to a happy family with someone who you can trust. But the opposite always happens. Let's see why the Judgment card is here in the fear. Three of Cups. Yeah, it's like that kind of fear, that kind of an anxiety, where you are really, you are even, it's like you cannot just be happy. It's like whenever you will be happy, the happiness will be taken from you. That is the fear which you have developed in your life right now. Whenever you are happy a little, that happiness is taken from you. This is that feeling you have, and that has actually developed a fear in you. That happiness is now a fear, has become a fear in your life. Okay, so I am really saying that things are really ending up in your life, and it's the start of a new life with the Knight of Cups. It's more about a very beautiful aura, a very magical kind of a feeling when you're ready to accept love, when you're ready to accept some things with love, basically. Okay, so that's all from my side, Taurus. I hope it helps, and we will see you in the next video. Till then, bye.